Hi, this is Mark from Phace Installations. We've got a Peugeot Boxer Compass Navigator with us today, and this vehicle needs a reversing camera system fitted. Didn't come from the factory, so they need a system from us, and we have fitted an absolutely beautiful reverse camera. Now, we can't put one at the top, so we've had to go really low down at the bottom. On some of the motorhomes that we do, we put them just above the number plate. There's just not enough room here, so we put it just below, and in white, absolutely looks lovely, almost like it's meant to be. And if we walk round to the front, jump in, and we've put a mirror monitor for the screen. The customer wanted this on all the time, so didn't want any reverse, didn't want it to happen in reverse, just wanted it to always be on. So he could see right behind him. As you can see, comes on only with the key in and on. Take the key out, it goes off. Walk round to the back. And this camera has 4 LEDs either side, and at night time this will help with the camera's visibility to be able to see behind you.